Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics Bios on YouTube channel. I am Mohanathanari. If you like our channel, the statistical videos and the data visualization graphs, please click the subscription button and support to me. Join to the channel membership. Let's go to today video. Today we will discuss topic how to draw a sunburst chart in the OriginPro software. This is a data set for the how to create the sunburst chart in the OriginPro software. We take the data for first one for the feeding method in the species. We take the three feeding method, the herbivores and the carnivores and the omnivores. The next one for the X2 column. This is a season 6. We take the winter season and summer season and the monsoon season and the autumn seasons. The next one for the third, the X3. This is for the month for the different the seasons. Then fourth one for the Y column. This is a species population in the data set. Okay, the now how to created the sunburst chart in the OriginPro software. Okay, select the hold the data, go to the plot menu and go to the categorical and click the sunburst. Okay, now the created for the sunburst graph in the OriginPro software. Now how to customize it for the different designing in the sunburst chart. Okay, there are double click your mouse or the right click your mouse, open the plot details. The open the new dialog for the plot details in the plot properties. Okay, now the customizer for the sunburst graph. Okay, go to the spacing menu. Okay, the gap between the range 90 or 60. Then click apply button. Okay, the 60 we set the gap between the sunburst graph. The next one for the go to the by geometry, the rescale range for the set the 90 and the starting the station for the 2000 sorry 270, the whole size set for the 0. The next one for the pattern, the border color set to the white color and the width set to the 3. Then click the apply button. Okay, they said the next one for the apply the fill color in the plot detail menu. Okay, they click the color buttons. Okay, they go to the three options, single color, by points and the by plot. Choose the by point colors and the color list, click the button, open the different color list. Okay, I choose the bold 2. Then click apply button, change to the color. Okay, next one for the go to the label menu. This is one of the important in the label menu for the sunburst graph. Now change to the font menu, click the font button. Okay, default font Arial, change to I change to the Time Roman. The font size is 12. Then color size, click to the black color. Okay, there rotate the font angular, then click the apply button. Okay, next one for the enter to percentage of the our the graph. Okay, then apply. Okay, then enter the percentage in the graph. The next one for the associated with the widths, the sun radial directions outside of end. Then click the apply button. Okay, the outside of end, the biometric set to the 10. Okay, then apply. Okay, the 10 set to the 10. The label outside of the end, the center. Okay, then change to outside of end. The font size change to the radius to the 10. Then apply. Okay, or change to the font stay rotation side rectangle, this rectangle, and choose to the angular. Then apply. Okay, then go to the pattern, change to the color and by bold 1. Then apply. Okay, then spacing 60, biometric 10, range 10. the whole then apply 0. Okay, then click the OK button. The range scale change to the font, time Roman and the 14. Okay, this is the graph for the Sunburst chart in the OriginPro software. This is interpretation for our graph. Okay, the first one for the feeding habit. Okay, 3 feeding habit in the data set. The first one for the omnivores and the herbivores and the carnivores. The highest species living in the carnivores, 39.65%. The next one for the herbivores, 38.0.1%. The last one for the omnivore species, 22.34. Okay, the next for the seasonal living habit, the herbivores winter season 6.2% and spring 8.57 and summer 12.81%, and the monsoon the living the herbivore species 6.6 and the autumn species autumn season 3.83. At the month wise the living the herbivores. Okay, go to the December month, the winter seasons, the December and January month. December month for the 2.69% and January 3.5%. The next one for the spring season, the February and March month, the 4.16% in the February month and the March month 4.41%. Next one for the summer, the 3 month for the April, May and the June. Okay, the April month 4.63% and the May month 4.86% and the June month 3.31%. The next one for the monsoon season, the September, August and the July. The monsoon percentage total the herbivores live for the 6.6%. Then September, July month the 2.93% and the August month the 2% and the September month 1.67%. At the same the carnivores the highest species living in the summer season, the 11.18%, and the omnivores the highest the species living in the summer season, and also herbivores the highest living in the summer season 12.81% and omnivores 8.79%. At the same the month wise highest percentage in the 4.86 the herbivores in the May month, and the carnivores in the April month highest percentage of the living in the carnivores in the summer season, the April month 4.87%, and the omnivores highest living in the 3.35% in the April month for the omnivores. This is a data set for the and the data visualization for the Sunburst chart in the OriginPro software. Okay, this is how to created the Sunburst chart in the OriginPro software. Okay, if you any doubt, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. Thank you for watching this video. Again, if you like this video, please click the subscription button and support to me. Join to the channel membership. Thank you.